As renewable energy and storage portfolios grow, O&M teams face increasing complexity, more assets, more field work, and more risk. Sitetracker brings work orders, field service, and financial management into one platform, helping teams maximize uptime, extend asset life, maintain safety and compliance, and control costs. Let me show you. Starting with site and asset management, Sitetracker helps you manage a high volume of sites with a flexible asset hierarchy and a complete, accurate history, so every job is tied to the right asset. Before dispatching, teams can review site safety information, check embedded maps, and see the full site history, projects, preventative work, and corrective work in one place. Next is work order management, connecting field work to assets to reduce rework. Work orders include details, maps, inspection forms, JSAs, and offline access for the field. When new issues come in, Sitetracker supports manual and automated ticket creation to route work by type, territory, and criticality. And if I open this up, you'll see it links directly back to the job we viewed earlier, which is already attached to the site. So we're not creating disconnected records, everything ties back cleanly. Dispatch is built for speed. You can quickly assign technicians or vendors based on skills, availability, and proximity. And view crew availability and scheduling patterns to improve efficiency. To keep the right people on the right work, Sitetracker lets you define skills and certifications, match them to the job templates, and track certification validity dates. In the field, Sitetracker Mobile keeps technicians connected with job details, maps, and forms, with offline access for remote sites. And techs can scan QR or barcodes to install, uninstall, or swap assets. Teams can also complete dynamic forms in the field, generate and assign forms automatically, capture photos and comments, and even output documents like closeout packages. And from the map, teams can filter by site attributes and view key site info, including status coming from monitoring sources, then jump straight into the detailed site record. Sitetracker also supports inventory management, tracking serialized and non-serialized inventory, receipts, consumption, and transfers. With inventory tracking, you can know the status of assets, keep materials organized by category, and quickly build reports to turn data into action. For larger efforts, Sitetracker supports end-to-end project management with templates. Here's a project schedule built off the template commercial solar install. The template gives me predefined tasks and sequencing so execution stays consistent across sites with full comment and audit history, and task logic to standardize execution. All of that structured execution feeds directly into reporting. Dashboards pull from work orders and projects, so leadership can quickly see overdue work or performance trends without manual consolidation. And when you need to manage at scale, Trackers gives you a spreadsheet interface to collaborate in real time on top of live data, find exceptions, and create role-based views. So I can filter by category, make controlled updates, and manage exceptions without breaking data integrity. And when execution involves external teams, Sitetracker Connect extends that same workflows to contractors, allowing them to view dashboards, assignments, update progress, and simplify partner collaboration. With Sitetracker, O&M teams unify work order management, field service, and financial oversight in one connected platform. This helps maximize asset uptime, extend asset longevity, maintain control over costs, and ensure the highest standards of safety and compliance. And by managing O&M within the same platform as development, construction, and asset management, organizations gain a complete asset lifecycle view, enabling smarter decisions at every stage. Thanks for watching.